Bring you a 3-minute digest of what happened in China's business sector. This is China Business Now by 21st Century Business Herald. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie Lee. Our top stories today. China Securities Regulatory Commission called for more communication with its U.S. counterpart on Sunday regarding Chinese stocks listed on Wall Street. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission announced on Friday that it will not allow Chinese companies to raise money in the United States unless they fully explain their legal structure and disclose potential business risks. China will continue to maintain stable macroeconomic policies, refraining from flood-like stimulus measures and adopting a prudent monetary policy that focuses on supporting the real economy, PBOC said in a statement released after the Friday meeting on work for the second half of the year. At a meeting on Friday, the Politburo of the CPC Central Committee pledged more policy effort to contain COVID-19, boost COVID vaccination, prevent flooding, ensure grain output, stabilize commodity prices, rationalize its carbon emission reduction campaign, and implement the three-child policy. The Global 500 rankings of Fortune magazine estimated the total revenue for the world's largest company fell 4.8% to $31.7 trillion this year. Walmart remained the world's largest company. China's stake rate rose to second place, with Amazon making the top three for the first time. A total of 143 Chinese firms are listed in the 2021 ranking. In terms of profit, Apple led the pack with $57.4 billion, while the three largest Chinese banks continue to be in the top 10. China won 3 more gold medals today in men's shooting 50-meter rifle 3 positions, men's gymnastic rings, and women's weightlifting 87-kilogram class. By 5 p.m. Monday, China ranks first in the Olympic medal tally with 27 golds, 16 silvers, and 14 bronzes, followed by the US and Japan with 20 and 17 golds respectively. Chinese flying man Su Bingtian ran a new Asian record of 9.83 seconds in the 100-meter semifinals, becoming the first Chinese to break into the Olympic 100-meter decisive battle. Update on COVID-19. Chinese mainland reported 55 new local cases yesterday. As of midnight on Sunday, Nanjing reported a total of 215 local cases, including 7 in severe conditions. And Chinese renowned epidemiologist Zhong Nanshan said the definition of close contact has to be redetermined for the Delta variant. The respiratory expert said that anyone in the same building as a confirmed case 4 days before the onset of symptoms should be traced and checked. According to media report, labs in Italy and the Netherlands have detected COVID-19 antibodies in blood samples taken before last year's outbreak. This suggests that the virus was already spreading long before the pandemic. At a press conference on Friday, the Foreign Ministry said it has once again proven necessary to trace the origin of COVID-19 in multiple places. Next, on industry and company news, the Purchasing Managers Index or PMI for China's manufacturing sector came in at 50.4 in July, edging down from 50.9 in June. The PMI for China's non-manufacturing sector came in at 53.3, down from 53.5 in June, data from the National Bureau of Statistics show Saturday. China Securities Regulatory Commission has approved the initial public offering application of China Telecom last Thursday. China Telecom aims to raise about 54.4 billion yuan through a listing on the main board of Shanghai Stock Exchange, which will be the largest A-share IPO funds raised in nearly 10 years. China Evergrande sold 11% equity of Hong Kong Network at a price of 3.25 billion Hong Kong dollars. Tencent took over 7% equity for 2.07 billion Hong Kong dollars, while an independent third party took the rest 4% for a total of 1.18 billion Hong Kong dollars. Both buyers paid 3.20 Hong Kong dollars for each share, a 6.4% discount to the latest closing price. After the deal, Evergrande remains the largest shareholder, followed by Tencent. Switching gears to the financial sector, the yield on 10-year Chinese government bonds hit an intraday low of 2.795%, down by more than 4 basis points on Monday, the lowest since June last year. Treasury futures opened sharply higher, with the 10-year main contract rising 0.34% to a record high of more than a year, the 5-year main contract up 0.28%, and the 2-year main contract up 0.06%. The stamp duty rate on share transactions in Hong Kong has been raised from 0.1% to 0.13% since August this year. And wrapping up with a quick look at the stock markets, Chinese stocks closed higher on Monday with the benchmark Shanghai Composite Index up 1.97% at 3,464 points. The Shenzhen Component Index closed 2.25% higher at 14,798 points. The Hang Seng Index closed 1.06% higher to stand at 26,235 points. That's it for today. Tune in tomorrow on China Business Now by 21st Century Business Herald. Goodbye.